Breaking news, guys! I'm launching a Rich Bunnies team until the end of 2024, and you can take part in it. What is it? So from the beginning of the new week, we are recruiting a team of traders and starting trading with a small amount and finishing with a big one. And here are the results of our traders over the past week. If you want the same, join us.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialog with me and write plus VIP.
So today we will trade on the pocket option. Our initial balance is $100, therefore it's for deal amount is also $100. Sometimes we will increase this or decrease depending on the situation, and then we select the time frame 1 minute. Yeah, it suits us. So then we should set our workspace. We will set our time frame also as 1 minute. If 2, so 2 minutes also. So today we'll trade on concept pairs. You see them on our screen. During trading, some will fall, but it happens quite rarely. Today we'll trade on approximately 8 or 9 on 2 circles. About indicators, bears and bulls power. These parameters. Period of 13, green, red. Bulls with the color red. So bulls power is our simple, effective analysis tool. Allows us to determine the mood of our customers. Below the bulls, the time period is indicated. Roughly speaking, which indicator is often directed in the upper position. The one that prevails on our chart. So we see the chart. When two moving averages are directed plus minus and one move either down or up, this is often approximately when consolidation begins. Now range. This is consolidation. So that's all I think I said. We'll now begin our trading session, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and comment. It really, if you have any questions, I'll also answer them. Tell me please. Ask me some questions. Will you trade on the pocket option? With what amount you'll trade? Share some advices with beginners. Also, you can write me to my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description under the video. So we will move on to our first concept out. Down deal and start our technical analysis. The crescent chart, we see it was recovery. Some support area we see we will reach it. We see some shadow, and our chart by indicators, we see two moving averages. It was pullbacks, two lines in one direction. It's very important. I'll zoom it. So 2 seconds left. Yeah. According to the indicators, we have leveled off, and in the we see some drawdown. $170 to the deal, and we move on to the second concept. Here we are, up deal, and we see drawdown, but it's okay. As I always say, do not disappoint. We have still time. So what we see, we opened for an increase. We should reach increasing. By indicators, we'll see pass is prevailing. Red candle, we see some growth, and I think it will be the correction, and we reach support area. Good. 1 plus. So we have the next amount, $100. I sometimes mix the amount, sometimes it's lower or upper. I recommend you 10% of your amount, of your balance. So here we are. There's nothing to say also, it's very simple. We trade by trend. Some growth, we see. Global area, reversal down, and so we up and down. Shadow from the candle, it's drawn down. Both indicators, bear is prevailing. What we see, 12 seconds left until the end of the deal. We are below the opening bar. So it's quite stable. Yep, plus deal, $70 our profit. $380 on our balance. And we will increase this amount. We move on to the next concept. Yeah, here we are. So we see what we see here. We start our analysis. Chart is trying to move higher. This is, I think we opened correct. Down deal. Global market is also down. It's going down. Yeah, we see drawdown. If we look at indicator, also the same situation. 12 seconds until the end of the deal. We're stable. Lower our points. It's good. And yeah, our deal in plus. Good. Excellent. And I want also to advise my Telegram channel. You can find any useful information about trading. My signals I'll publicate every day, several times a day, and all my trading sessions also you can find there, and you can find the link in the description under the video. And we move on to the next concept of $100 to our amount. And we move on to the next concept. So here we are. Let's open down deal and start our technical analysis. At the moment we clearly see an upward trend, but we see red candles at the beginning of our timer. Yeah, it's going down. Our chart is going down. We see strong resistance area. We see reversal. So we open our deal down. Global trend is also decreasing. By indicators, we also see the same situation. It's down positions. Let's see for our chart. 10 seconds left until the end of the deal. Let's see what happened. Yeah, plus deal, as I said, good profit is also in our balance. So we move on to the next concept. Here we are, open also down deal. Quite a risky deal, I would say. I think it will be reversal. Candles are quite stable. We see shadows, it's a big. So chances is quite good. Yeah, we see one more green candle. So it's big. By indicators we see down positions. It's prevailing. Let's zoom it. So weak drawdown, but yeah, wind is in the plus. Good. Let's move on to the first concept. We remove this concept. It's quite decreased. About percentage, the higher the better. As I also said, I'll remind you about it. So here we are on the first concept. It's the second circle. This deal is quite difficult, so to say, because there is drawdown here and probably many will open down. We see some peaks, we see that it will be reversal, pierces down, bulls is up, so we opens up. Shadows, we see our candle. Yeah, we see that what we see here, 3 seconds left, and yeah, good. Plus deal, as I said, if we opened correctly. So it's my plan. You can see the table. 1 second. Yep, here it is. My table. I think it's quite a good plan. 7 days plan. So to say, you can find this table in my Telegram channel. So everything is here. It's just an example of our work with you. We see $50 about each hour deposit. Deal amounts of each deal is $5. 10% of our total amount. And from each deal, we will have about $2.50 in a day. So it's a minimum, 50% minimum. Yeah. 8 deals and $2 is our earnings. We have, so you can find this table in my Telegram channel, and you can find the link to my Telegram channel under the video. Just follow it. So let's close it. Also, I want to say that in my trading you also find social trading. You can just copy my trade. It's very convenient if you have full-time job and my bot is just trading for you. If you, for example, don't have time to analyze the markets, I'll do it for you. You can find all the useful information about my social trading in my Telegram channel. Just write to me in my private messages, social trading, and you can find the ask questions under the comment under the video. Just ask me what social trading means.
Hello traders, my name is Lynn and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in minor options. Here you'll find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies.
Yeah, here we are in the next concept. Let's open up and start our technical analysis. First, we see that it's growth, stable growth. Yeah, it was candles. We see shadows like our green candle, and yeah, we highlight support and resistance areas. Yeah, here. We try to reach resistance area by indicators. We will not use it, but our technical analysis. Why we opened up deal. Let's wait for the closure. 2 seconds. Yeah, our deal is going to plus. Let's finish our trading session for today. It was 8 currency pairs for today, and it's good results. We increased our balance. It more than $1,000. So let's summarize it. Our initial balance was $100, and now it's for the end of our trading session. It's more than $1,000. It's quite good results. We increase it by 10 times. So next, what we see about our parameters, deal amount was 10-15% of our balance. Deal amount 1 minute. Time frame is also 1 minute. We trade with the currency pairs. It was 8. You can see 5 so far. Also keep an eye on the payout percentage. It should be more than 70%, especially for beginners. If you already have experience, you can choose any. But the better, the higher the better, as I also said. So 2 indicators, base power and boost power. The settings are the same. You can see it, boost, red, who is up, then it prevail. some indicators a little. You see it. Some consolidation, like here we see it when the chart is in one position, like here, you see. Also, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You can find any useful information, you can use it, you can copy my signals, you can copy my trading. And if you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.